Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. I think this is my first time here in Iwi Maganda. Po ba? Sino ba ako marunong kumanta? Joke lang. Joke lang. First of all, I would like to thank sa Honorable Mayor Marvin M. Malacon. Maraming pong salamat. And of course, sa Senmes Batch 99. Ayun. Ang gaganda niyo po din. Sakto lang. Ready na po ba kayo? Are you ready to party? Are you ready to party? Okay. Ready na sila. Mamaya na ako kakanta. So ladies and gentlemen, let's join our hips together for Zed Kramer! So before anything else, let's have first the photo opportunity together with Zed Kramer and our Zumba instructors. So I would like to request our Zumba instructors, for the photo op together with Zed Kramer. Wow!
Naka-grip.
Once again, welcome to the municipality of Iwi Magalona.